Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's snack recipe is very easy: tomato garlic chutney. Take a pan, add butter, 50 grams. Tomatoes, 3 cut from middle. When butter melts, place the tomatoes in the pan with cut side down. Garlic pods, 13 to 15, stir well and cover lid till they are nicely cooked. When tomatoes get tender, remove the peel. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Let the tomatoes and garlic cool down. Grind or mash tomatoes along with the garlic into a fine paste. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Transfer into bowl a chopped onion, 2 teaspoon, chopped green chili, 1 paste. Coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon. Now squeeze half lemon. Now add salt, a half teaspoon, red chili powder, a half teaspoon. All ingredients mix well. Ready to serve with your family and friends. It looks very delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, see you again.